Hello, this is it. Nalaki na ng konti. Lumalaki na yung ilan ng ating hydroponic lettuce from scrap. Okay na to siguro. It's continuously growing. It's very nice. It's effective. Tapos may pa-germinate ulit tayong buto ng lettuce. This is the other one. The other. This double paper. This are grow light. Our grow light from scrap. Ito, malalaki na ng konti. Still growing. Hope so it's effective, so we'll upgrade our hydroponic setup. If this is effective, we must move on to a new hydroponic setup. This is a coco peat. That's not a soil, that's a coco peat. And this is the foam. We use foam. This one is very good. This one also. So nice. That's it. So this is for 21 days after germination. Hope this coming 5 days will grow ahead. It's better. Nice. It's a nice one. So we can save money for the buying of lettuce for our necessity, everyday necessity. We make salad. So maybe soon we plant also another leafy leaves here in our small kitchen, because a lot of vegetable here in Canada is so going high. It's so expensive to live here in Canada, so that's why we must need to have an idea how to survive. Hope this is okay. Thank you very much.